Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use two WhatsApp account in one app. So right now, you can now log in into multiple WhatsApp account inside the single app. That means you no longer need WhatsApp Business or account app just to use a second account. It's just like Instagram and TikTok. And WhatsApp now lets you switch between accounts easily. And here's how to set it up. First, just open the WhatsApp and then next just tap on the setting by tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner, then tap on settings like this, and then next just tap on account, this one, and then in here just simply tap on the add account like this, and then next just tap on the plus button at the add WhatsApp account like this, and then just tap on agree and continue, and then in here just choose your country, and then just enter your phone number, the phone number that you want to use as your second WhatsApp account, and then next just tap on next, and then just verify, and in here you can just restore or transfer chats. Just choose one that you want, restore from backup or transfer from old phones. In here I want to restore from backups, then just tap on continue, and just like that, and then just tap on next, and like this you will see a profile info. If you want to add or change the profile photo, just feel free to change it, and then just tap on next, and then in here you can just add your email, but in here I want to just skip it, and then you can also choose your chat name on here like this. In here I want to just skip it again, and then just wait, and just like this, after the verification process is complete, your second WhatsApp account will be added successfully like this. And then whenever you want to switch account, just simply go back to the settings, and then just tap on this account, this icon, the arrow icon like this, and then in here you can just choose the account that you want to use. It only takes a few seconds like this, and there's no need to log out every time. This feature is perfect if you have separate personal and works number, or if you simply want to manage multiple accounts without installing another app. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!